Mga sintomas ng acute appendicitis. Unang-una, abdominal pain. This is the most important sign. Nagsisimula ang pananakit ng tiyan around the navel o sa gilid ng ating pusod. At unti-unting kakalat ang sakit sa right lower abdomen. The pain is sharp, constant, and worsening. Maaring lumala ang pananakit when you're walking, coughing, and doing sudden movements. This pain is often felt at McBurney's point. Pangalawa, loss of appetite. This is one of the earliest symptoms. Nawawalan ka ng ganang kumain. Pangatlo, nausea or vomiting. Usually follows the abdominal pain. Pang-apat, low-grade fever. Maaring mild fever lang ito sa umpisa, ngunit maaring mag-worsen kung ang appendix is about to rupture. Panglima, abdominal tenderness. Sumasakit lalo kapag pinipisil ang right lower quadrant ng iyong tiyan. There could also be rebound pain. There's an increasing pain whenever you let go of the pressure. There could also be bloating o yung pakiramdam na ikaw ay busog. At maaring magkaroon ng changes in bowel habits. Common ang diarrhea pero maaari ring makaranas ng constipation. Tandaan na lahat po tayo ay may appendix. At kapag namaga ang organ na ito ay tatawaging appendicitis. Ang appendix ay small finger-like tube na nakakabit sa ating large intestine. Pinaniniwalaan noon na ito po ay walang function sa ating katawan. That's why it's called appendix. But according to recent studies, ang appendix ay parte ng ating immune system. Ito rin ay nagsisilbing safe house for healthy gut bacteria. Ang appendix is not useless, but you can live perfectly fine without it. Remember, acute appendicitis is a medical emergency. Kaya naman kung nararanasan mong mga sintomas ng acute appendicitis, siguraduhin pumunta agad sa ospital at magpakonsulta sa inyong doktor for further evaluation and management. Okay? Mag-ingat po kayo parati!